number 2, the first part states the following requirement. Solve for x where x is a real number and we are given 8 negative x, 5x positive 2. So solution, consider 8 negative x less than equal to 5x positive 2. Now what I want to do is I will get rid of this 2. So add negative to both sides. So because I want only 5x term on the right side. So I'm going to add negative 2 to both sides. So positive to negative 2 goes off. Over here 8 negative 2 will give me 6 followed by negative x is less than equal to 5x. Now I have to get rid of this negative x. So for that I would have to add positive x both sides. So it's going to be 6 negative x positive x less than equal to 5x positive x. So negative x positive x goes off. As I mentioned to you, I want to have x on this side, right side. So 5x added with x will give me 6x, and I have 6 on the left side and 6x on the right hand side. Now you divide by 6 both sides. So this would be 6 over 6 less than equal to 6 over 6. 6 gets cancelled, 6 cancel. On the left you got 1 and on the right you have x. So I can write it like this. All x element of real number x is greater than equal to 1. You can state it like this. So this is the value that x will take. Okay, all values of x element of R such that x is greater than equal to 1. Now this is the next part. Next part is asking us, show your solution on the number line. This is part 2. Show your solution on the number line. So how do we do that? We have to first have the number line. So we have 0 here, 1, 2, 3, 4 over here, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Now x takes all values. X is greater than equal to 1. That means it starts here. So darken it, darken this spot, and it goes on like that. Okay, so this spot should be completely shaded. So this will be your solution. Either you can draw it like this and mark x greater than equal to 1 like this, or you can use the number line and probably you can have red coloring on this and then stretch it. But since I'm using a dark color, the black, I can only represent it like this because it will be overshadowed here. But this has to be explicitly shown. So that is the completion. Now let me go to the next question. Next question is expand and simplify. Expand and simplify. So we got 2x of x positive 5, negative 3 of x negative 4. Now you distribute 2x. So this is equal to 2x times x, 2x squared, 2x positive 5, that's going to be 10x. And this is 3x and this is 12. Now this is equal to 2x squared. You add these two, you get positive 7x, positive 12. So I have expanded it and I have simplified. So this is the solution for this question. Okay, so fair enough. So let's go to the next question. We are expected to simplify. Now I would like to utilize this formula, a raised to the power of n times a raised to the power of m can be rewritten as a raised to the power of n positive m. So we have x squared here and x to the power of 3 there. So this is going to be x raised to the power of 2 positive 3, which is nothing but x raised to the power of 5. So hence we have 3 times 4 times x raised to the power of 5 divided by 2 times x. Of course 2 can divide 4 2 times, so 3 times 2 is x, 6 times x raised to the power of 5 divided by x. You can take this to the numerator and rewrite it as 6 times x raised to the power of 5 times x raised to the power of negative 1. Using the same formula, right, this could be rewritten as 6 times x raised to the power of 5, you add negative 1, is going to be x raised to the power of 5 negative 1. So you couple these things up, what do you get? You get 6 times x raised to the power of 4. And this is the simplified form. Now I have done it in detail. Now you need to practice this and get the solution. Now let's move on. Question is write as a single fraction in its lowest form. Okay, lowest form LF. So you have x positive 1 over 2 positive 5 negative x over 5. Now the LCM is 2 and 5. So over here 2 and 2 gets cancelled, you have 5. So 5 times of x positive 1. The sign between them is positive. Now 5 and 5 gets cancelled, you have 2. So 2 times of 5 negative x. So this is equal to, distribute this 5. You get 5 times x positive 5. Distribute this 2. 2 times 5 is 10 followed by negative 2x divided by 2 times 5 is 10. Add 5x with negative 2x, that's going to be 3x. Add 5 with 10, that's going to be 15 divided by 10. Now take 3 out, you get x positive 5 divided by 10. Okay, so you can either stop here or you can stop here. So both of them are okay. So having given you this, let me move on to the next question. So I hope you are able to watch this. Okay, so the next question is E. They are asking us to factorize completely. So you have 4 times x raised to the power of 2 negative 4. Now I would like to rewrite this as 2x raised to the power of 2 negative 2 squared. Now this is of the form a squared negative b squared, which is a negative b times a positive b. So hence we have, what is this? This is 2x negative 2 multiplied with 2x positive 2. Now what you can do is, you can take the 2 out from here, x negative 1. You can take 2 out from there, you have a 2 of x positive 1. 2 into 2 is what? 4 times x negative 1 times x positive 1. So you stop here. This is the solution for this question. So we have completed question number 2. Let's move on to question number 3.